कोई तो झाड़ू मार रहा है.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I have been MIA since a long time, but I've come with a lot of reviews, okay? And I'm gonna do that like एक के बाद एक, क्योंकि एक ही वीडियो में कर दूँ ना तो मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा लंबा हो जाएगा ये वीडियो. So you guys already know what I'm gonna review today. That's the reason you all clicked here. Yeah, I got myself a Natasha Denona palette. My excuse is that it was on a really good discount, okay? Really good discount. Okay, this is what it looks like. I don't know, आजकल मैं like totally बोलने लग रही. See?
I'm back. Okay.
It's been a month, okay, since this arrived, and I did already swatch it.
Amazing.
It's a month. I just couldn't help myself. I didn't apply it, okay? I don't know how it applies on the eyelids, but I did swatch it. Fingertips. Ignore my nails. It's like really bad. I just removed the nail extensions that I had, so it's like really bad. So packaging wise, this comes in a cardboard packaging like this. Okay, and this is what the behind part looks like. This was at a crazy discount, and I was like, I had to get it. I got it obviously at the Black Friday sale. I did do my research. I did see some reviews online regarding this particular palette, the Love palette, and there were quite of like mixed reviews, and I was like, yaar, loo ki nahi loo, kyunki I don't want to invest even like 100 rupees for that matter and not get my money's worth. You guys know I'm all about money's worth and spending your coins in a right product or in a right manner. I just really wanted to know that, you know, is it worth the money? I was like, you know what, it's on a good discount and might as well buy it because I wanted to try the formulation since a long time. So मैंने ले लिया, and let's see. I'm gonna open it like this. Okay, so you can see the palette right there. This is what it looks like.
And it does have this red thing peeking through. It's super cute. I really liked it.
And you can see the holes behind, right? So this is like you can push from behind and remove the cords. Remove the pants. Sorry.
What is wrong with me?
So you can like change and make your own palette, okay? Customized palette. It does have a magnetic closure, and this was released during like Valentine's Day, something like that. The reason it's like a love palette. Do some swatchy. I'm gonna insert a swatch picture or a video or something. So I've not put any concealer or anything. This was just one like very thin layer of eye primer that I had applied. Now I'm going to apply an eyeshadow base. I'm using this one. Okay, it's clear, so you can see it's clear. This side I'm applying the eye primer. I'm not going to apply any eye primer this side, only one side. Let's just see if it performs well with the primer or without the primer. Using a brush like this, I got it from Amazon. So let's take this shade, Intense. Okay. Oh, it's pigmented. That's what it looks like. It's quite powdery. Second dip. So since it's matte, you know, I'm not really mad at the formulation. It's really good. It's soft and easy to blend. I don't know if you guys can see the pigmentation. I'm just going to slightly build it up. I don't have any eye look in mind, okay, so I'm just going with the flow. Now I want to see what happens this side. Taking the same shade. I feel like the non-primed eyelid is more pigmented than the primed eyelid. What do you guys think? Yeah, I don't know, guys. I've not even primed this eyelid. I just primed one eyelid. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, now I'm thinking of doing a little bit deeper shade in the crease, like let's say, so we did Intense, right? So I'm thinking of doing, okay, let's do Soul. This is the pigmentation. Oh, that's pigmented. I've put that right below the transition. Okay, so this is like a second transition shade. Okay, and now I'm going to do the other eye without the primer side. Can you guys see what I'm doing? I hope you can see. Now I'm thinking of a third shade. Okay, let's take Heartbeat. It's a very deep burgundy kind of shade. Putting that right here. With mattes, what you want to do now is always pat it and don't drag. Okay, so pat so that you get full pigmentation and you'll get less fallout. So pat, and then slightly buff. I'm so sorry about the sounds, guys.
My dog is dreaming, so if you can hear a squeaking noise, it's that.
You don't want to cover up the second transition completely. You just want like a slight peekaboo. Okay. To be honest, guys, I don't know why I'm like liking this side. This side just does it. It's not even, there's no pigmentation. Yeah. Don't use any eye base. You can use an eye primer. Don't use an eye base. Going in with the same brush without any product. The transition brush, and I'm just kind of blending that in. The shade called Giving. Now this is more of a duochrome shade, okay? I don't know if you guys can see this is so freaking pretty. I'm not showing you guys the middle finger, okay? I'm just swatch Pure Love because that's what I'm going to use as well. Shades like this now, like shimmer shades, I usually apply it with a shimmer with my finger or with a sponge tip applicator, that the ones that you all throw away, that people say you don't need it. You need it, trust me. I'm going to use Pure Love first. That right in the center. Whoa, look at that shade, it's so pretty. Love it. Shade Giving. I was not expecting that. This is so pretty.
Can you see that? Can you see that? So pretty. Can you see that?
Okay, so next I'm thinking of doing something with these purples. I don't know. Let's use this or let's use the gold. I'm not sure. Let's use this gold, okay? Or either transparent. Let's see. I'm taking a flat brush like this and I'm dipping into the shade Lifetime. Yeah, Lifetime. Okay, like that. And then I'm going in with the shade. Let's go in with Trust. Very close to the lash line. And then I'm going in with the shade Dream. Blending that in. Thinking of doing the shade Transparent for my brow bone. And I'm putting that right here.
So I'm going to do the same thing here and I'll be right back.
Alrighty guys, so this is what it basically looks like, and I just lined my waterline with this PAC Kajal. This is what it looks like. It has a smudger at the end. So this is the falsies that I wore. Now let's move on to lips. It's this Matte Me lip crayon. Oh yeah, so I really like this. Honestly, there's nothing bad to say about it. Yeah, the reviews that I seen online, I don't know what they were complaining about, but I really love this palette. Like honestly, it's bomb. I would invest in this palette. If you like the color story, I would highly recommend using this palette. If you're a bride, amazing. You have all the bridal kind of tones in here: reds, corals, gold. If you have like, you have even like some pop of color, purple, silver. Yeah, what do you need from this? Like it's all in one. I guess it's really good for bridals. So that's what I'm going to use actually for. Love it. Amazing quality, amazing quantity also. I'm all about saving your coins, okay? You guys know that. Yeah, keeping that in mind, this is a good investment if you're like a bride to be, or either the bronze palette. Yeah, either this one or bronze. I am eyeing that as well. I'm eyeing the bronze palette as well. I've got a lot of products coming up, a lot of reviews coming up, so stay tuned. I have really like expensive ones that I never thought I would get, but yeah, I'm like blessed, like really blessed to get these products. So I don't want to disclose any of the brand names right now, but one of them was Natasha Denona. And now let's move on and see what I come up with next. I'm not sure. I really don't know what I'm going to do next, what review I'm going to do next. So let's see. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it and liked it, and I hope this was helpful in some way. If you really liked the video, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up button down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber, and I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Bye.